Hey mate, hope you are well. So I found out a way to export everything so it's out of the ad account without having to do too much, but it might just require a little bit on your end. So if this isn't good, then just let me know. But I'll just run you through how to read this. So obviously campaign name is here. So I'm just filtering out for the MWC webinar or the Real Estate Rescue Summit campaigns, and then the webinar for the RER. So obviously campaign name link, that's just the link that we're sending to. Probably don't need that, I can get rid of that maybe. Here I've just got bodies active, so there's a bunch of ads that are paused, so they're ones that obviously are not performing well. So I've just filtered out what's active. So that's a preview link. So these links here for each one will go through to in the feed. So that's for each individual link. There's an Instagram preview as well, so that'll take you through Instagram. There's also one here. So these permalinks, this will take it into the business manager. So I'll show you the actual ad on the business manager like that. So I mean, there are going to be a lot. So you can see here, that's live at the moment. There's 115 ads that are live, but as you know, a lot of them are going to share the same image. So I can't right now filter out that way using this method. So I apologize there, but if you need that, then let me know, and I can just send them all over to you individually. Next thing, the headline. So the headline here is obviously the headline on the ad. So there's a bunch of those there. So let me know if that's okay. And then here is where the body is. So, I mean, I'm probably doubling up there. Like, actually, I'll show you what I will do. Sorry, I'll just pause it for a second. Okay, no, that didn't work what I was just trying to do. But what did it do? I've just added in filters here. So, obviously, that is all going to, if I filter out that, that's all going to be the same one. I mean, if you zoom that out, so you can see the whole thing there. But I'm just going to keep it small like that just for now. But that's one. You can just filter them out. I think there's the reason these I've just one's for Sydney, one's for Melbourne, one's for Brisbane, obviously. But yeah, you can go through and just play around. If that works, let me know. The ad description is what comes under the ad on the actual page. Display link is the display link that we've got on the ad. And then there's a permalink, so that'll actually go to it in your feed. In Business Manager again. So let me know if that's cool. Hopefully that works for you guys. And if there's any issues with the copy and anything, let me know. Thanks.